I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Canva for free. You can do this on the Canva app or directly on the web. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your browser or app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and click on the three-line menu. Now, click on Create Design and then choose Custom Size. Here, enter your preferred resolution. In this example, I'll use 1280 by 720 pixels. Then click Create New Design. Next, on the left side panel, scroll down and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Background Remover. You'll see several options, but click on Background Remover. If you already have an image on your design, simply click Remove Background. Otherwise, click Choose File, select an image from your device, and then click Open. Once your image is uploaded, click Remove Background and let Canva process the image. After a few seconds, your image will appear without the background. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using Canva for free.